This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Grande Oaks at Amelia Riverwalk is a privately tucked away gated community. This Emerald Homes, Middleton floor plan is like new with only one owner. A GUNITE pool home that sits on an oversized lot, landscaped with native Florida plants. Home features 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths and has many builder upgrades such as a 3-car garage with overhead storage racks. Extra large pavered driveway fits 6 cars, RACHIO smart sprinkler controller, exterior security cameras, Nest air conditioner thermostat, gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances, soft close cabinets with over/under cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, granite counters, large closets, crown molding and wood plank tile. Stackable slider doors lead to a fully fenced rear yard with a beautiful GUNITE pool, built-in fire pit and large 58 by 32 pavered deck. Only 2 traffic lights between this home and historic Amelia Island and only 6.5 miles from the renowned beaches of Fernandina, convenient to shopping and entertainment. No CDD fees, low HOA fee. For more information, review the details below or contact at 904-261-9311.